Hello friends, today we are going to cover plane table surveying, which would be useful for our civil engineering students. First of all, what is plane table? Plane table is a method of surveying in which the field work and floating work is done simultaneously. Here the figure shows a table connected to our tripod. We have some accessories. We will be discussing one by one. This plane table is generally used for small mapping and computing the area of field. There is some accessories shown. First one is magnetic compass to get the direction. There is a plumbing fork to connect the plumb bob. There is a drawing board with tripod. Here shows a tape to get the measurement. Here is the LED. There is a two sight vane. There is object vane and sight vane for the viewing of station objects, and marking with this straight edge, which is also known as ruler. So accessories we are discussing one by one. Drawing board of size 30 to 40 centimeter up to 60 to 75 centimeter is generally used, with well seasoned wood such as teak. LED consists of two vertical sides we have already shown. LED consists of end straight edge, which is used for drawing purpose. This is made up of brass or teak wood. There is a tripod to support the drawing board, spirit level for leveling the table, plumbing fork to connect the plumb bob, and for centering purpose this plumbing fork will use drawing sheet. Good quality paper should be used for drawing sheets. Now we are discussing the advantage. It is used for preparing small scale mapping or small area. It is more rapid method. Fieldwork is not necessary. No great scale is required. Suitable for magnetic area. Contour and irregular object may be represented accurately. It is less costly. Here are some advantages. There are disadvantages also. Plane table is essentially topical instrument. Means if the surface is irregular, it is difficult to survey. It is not suitable to work in wet climate. Several accessories are required, so these accessories may be lost while surveying. It is not suitable for accurate works. This plane table surveying is not an accurate work. Now how this principle of plane table survey is done. It is a drawing board. First of all, we will be connecting this drawing board on the tripod, and we will be getting the direction first and mark the direction. Then we will be doing the sighting work. Here shows the LED which sights the OA. Here is the A object for sighting. We are using the sight vane and object vane for this sighting and marking the line of sight on the paper. Setting up of plane table. For setting up of plane table, there are three main requirements for any survey using plane table. Centering is done to keep the plane table on the station using plumb bob. Leveling is done by means of a leveling screw or socket arrangement with a level tube. Orientation is the process of keeping the table to position which is occupied at the first station. So these are the 3 steps for setting up the plane table: centering, leveling and orientation. I'll be talking about the methods of plane table. There are 4 methods of plane table survey. First one is method of radiation. Method of radiation means first we will be keeping the drawing board and on the station which is center to our area on the tripod. Then we will be using centering and leveling process and orientation process. Thereafter we will be getting the direction using compass, and then we will be using line of sight using our LED. Here you can see the station at A is drawn first from the O station, and thereafter we will be going for station B, line of sight and drawing on the paper. Thereafter we will be going to line of sight C. Thereafter we will be going with D and E. Then these all measurements are done on the site, and these measurements are being plotted in the drawing simultaneously. So this is the method of radiation process. Now I will be talking about method of intersection. Method of intersection, we will be using 2 points, 2 stations, and measure the other station simultaneously. First we will be keeping our drawing board on station A and measuring the line of sight of B and C and plotting on the drawing paper. Then we will move our drawing board to station B. Then we will be focusing on D and C again and draw the line of sight on the paper. Then these whole drawings will be available in this B side with measurement on the sides drawn in and marked in the paper. So this is by using intersection method. Now third method is method of traversing. In traversing method, the table is moved to each station. First of all, using A station will be marking other station, thereafter going to B station, marking other stations, marking going to C station and marking other station, going to D station and marking other station. So finally we will be getting the our surveying work in the B station. We will be checking all the lines simultaneously. This is the plotting of station in each station. Method of resection. Method of resection, using one station we are measuring the other 2 stations. We are focusing on A and line is drawn as OA, and focusing on B, we are measuring the line OB, and we are drawing a line of AB. Here shows the line of OB in the drawing paper. So this method of resection is done to get the actual station of our site. So here are the 4 methods of plane table: method of radiation, method of intersection, method of traversing, and method of resection. Thank you guys, thank you for listening. Stay tuned with us. Bye.